36-hour ferry ride from Portsmouth to Santander in Spain was Wallie and myself have arrived safely, and it's quite a good crossing. Fortunately the weather was holding out, and we actually had a rather smooth ride, considering the weather over in Ireland at the moment, which has got some kind of hurricane that's heading towards the Galway coastline. I'm pleased that it was a good crossing. It was quite long, but certainly enjoyable. Got to see some cool dolphins on the way, and I really enjoyed that. And I'm now here in beautiful Spain, blessed with some really nice weather again. It's around 25 degrees at the moment, and forecast to get to about 29 degrees Celsius. And I'm heading on the north coast of Spain at the moment, towards Porto I should say. And yeah, it's rather beautiful here, I must say. Really cool looking mountains, jagged rocks, and it's kind of riding along the north coast. Just showing you a sign, 78 kilometers to video. It's been rather pleasant with all the tunnels that you pass through here in this area. There's quite a lot of them, varying anything from 100 meters to kind of 500 meters. And yeah, it's rather cool, beautiful mountainous area. So looking forward to exploring Spain, and then heading down south towards Portugal, basically following the coastline all the way around. And I'm hoping to see a couple of motor racing circuits, and possibly and hopefully some airfields, which I planned, but not too many abandoned airfields in this area, but kind of keen to go and explore and hopefully find what I'm looking for. So yeah, happy days. Wallie's in the back, and let's see where's Wallie next. And yeah, here comes another tunnel. I think this little route I must have gone through at least 7 or 8 tunnels just in a matter of the last 40 kilometers or so, and I have about 220 kilometers to go for the rest of the day, so should be arriving kind of at my planned overnight, probably around 2 o'clock this afternoon. So yeah, happy days. My overnight Hotel Galatea, just here in the north of Spain somewhere. Looks alright. I'm going to go and check in. Let's see how it goes.